children. I hope you all are safe. Stay home, stay safe. And today we are going to continue our class for grade 7 metric. So today we are going to continue with exercise 1.2. I have given this as a homework and today we are going to solve this in class. So question number 3 is find the value of the following. Okay, first question, minus 3 minus of minus 4. This is a question. I hope you all remember the properties of subtraction. Okay, so minus 3 minus of minus 4. This is a question, right? So here we are going to solve this using a number line. So we are going to solve this using a number line. Without number line also, you know, I hope. So minus 3, already I have told you, minus into minus will become plus, right? Do you remember it? So minus 3 and minus into minus will become plus. So minus 3 plus 4. Okay. So here the signs are different, right? Here it is negative and here it is positive. If the signs are different means what you have to do? Yeah, you have to subtract and you have to put the largest number sign. So if we subtract 3 and 4, we will get 1, right? Okay, we will get 1. Okay, we will get 1. Here the greatest number is 4, its sign is plus. So you will get plus 1, right? Okay. So here we are going to see how to find the answer using a number line. So we start at 0 facing a positive direction. So I have already told you we have to start the number line with 0. So now I am going to start with 0. So move 3 units backwards to represent minus 3. If minus 3, so 1, 2 and 3, which is minus 3. Okay. I have jumped 3 steps to reach minus 3. Then turn towards the negative side and move 4 units backwards. Okay. Now you have to move 4 units backwards. So you are here and you have jumped 3 steps from this. So you have come to minus 3. Now you have to jump 4 steps towards your negative side. Negative side means this is your negative side, right? But you are already in negative side. From here you have to jump 4 steps towards your negative side. Okay, this is minus 3 and see minus of minus 4. So minus into minus will become plus. I have already told you. So minus into minus will become plus. So you have to jump 4 steps towards the positive direction. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. You will reach 1. Already we have solved that minus 3 minus of minus 4 is equal to minus 3. Minus into minus will become plus. So plus 4. If the signs are different, you have to subtract. If you subtract 3 from 4, you will get 1. The greater number sign is plus, so plus 1. So in number line also, you get the same answer, which is plus 1. Okay, next question. So next question is 7 minus of 10. The same type of question, but here it's a positive number. So 7 minus of 10. Okay. So for this also we can solve easily. 7 minus of 10. So 7 minus into minus will become plus, right? So 7 plus, this one is 10. So 7 plus 10, both the signs are equal. So you have to add 10 plus 7 is 17. So the answer is 17. Okay. See how to solve this using a number line. So here the 0, from this you have to move 7 steps to reach 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So finally I have reached 7. From here I have already told you minus into minus will become plus. So again you have to jump 10 steps towards this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Finally you will reach 17. So you get the answer. Okay, next question. So next question is 35 minus of 64. For this we can add it easily. Don't think of this and all. 35 minus of 64. I have already told you minus into minus. So minus into minus will become plus, right? So 35 plus 64. So you have to add these two numbers. Okay. So 35 minus of 64 is the question. If you multiply minus into minus, you will get plus. So that 35 plus 64. So 5 plus 4, 9, 3 plus 6, 9. So the answer is 99. Okay. So see, 35 minus into minus will become plus 64, which is equal to 99. See this question, minus 200 minus of plus 100. So this is minus 200 minus of plus 200. So you have to remember these rules, which is minus into minus will give plus, plus into plus, which is equal to plus, which means positive, and then negative into positive will become negative. So positive into negative will also become negative. So you have to use this rule here. See, minus of plus 100, right? So minus into plus will become minus, right? So 200, which means minus 200, and then here minus into plus will become minus. So minus of 100, right? Okay. You have, if the signs are equal means you have to add, right? So minus 200 minus 100. So if the signs are equal, you have to add both the numbers. So 200 plus 100 will become 300. So both the signs are equal, so you have to put minus. Okay, I hope you understood. I'll tell it again. So minus 200 minus of plus 100. So you have to use this rule here. So minus into plus will become minus. So this one minus into plus have become minus. So minus 200 minus 100. If the signs are equal, you have to add. So I have added 200 and 100 to get 300. Here the sign is negative, so minus 300. Next question. So question number 4. Kabilan was having 10 pencils with him. He gave 2 pencils to Sendil and 3 to Karthik. Next day his father gave him 6 more pencils. From that he gave 8 to his sister. How many pencils are left with him? So you have to find the total number of pencils. So total number of pencils is 10, and then number of pencils given to Sendil is 2, and the number of pencils given to Karthik is 3, So now number of pencils left with Kabilan. For this you have to add these two, right? If you add these two you will get 5, right? 2 plus 3 will be 5. Now I am going to subtract this 5 from 10 because he is having 10 pencils and he has given 5 pencils, so he will have 5 pencils with him. Okay. Number of pencils got from his father. Again his father has given 6 pencils to him, right? So 5 plus 6 will become 11. From this 11 pencils he gave 8 to his sister, right? Totally he will have 11 pencils. From this 11 pencils he has given 8 pencils to his sister. So if we subtract 8 from 11 you will get 3. Okay, finally he will have 3 pencils with him. See, he has 10 pencils and he has given 2 and 3 to his friends. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, right? Okay. Now he has given 5 pencils to his friends. So from 10 we are going to subtract this 5 so that we will get 5. Okay. Next day his father is giving 6 more pencils. So I am going to add this 6 with this 5 so that I got 11. From this 11 pencils he has given 8 pencils to his sister. So finally he will have 3 pencils with him. Okay. So number of pencils left with Kabilan is 3. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. A lift is on the ground floor. If it goes 5 floors down and then moves up to 10 floors. So moves up to 10 floors from there. Then in which floor will the lift be? So initially the lift will be in the ground floor, okay, which represents 0. The number line also which represents 0, okay. It goes to 5 floors down. Down means, I have already told you, down means you have to put minus, right. So down 5 floors means minus 5. So from this you have to mark minus 5, okay. See, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So finally it has reached minus 5, okay. Next, then it moves 10 floors up. Up means you have to put positive, I mean plus, okay. So this will become positive 10, okay. How will you solve this question? Now the lift will be, see, it is already in 0. From there it is moving 5 floors downwards, so minus 5, and again it is moving 10 words upwards, 10 floors upwards, so positive 10, okay. We can skip this 0, so minus 5 plus 10. If I have already told you, if the signs are different, what we have to do? What we have to do? Yeah, we have to subtract. So if we subtract 5 from 10, we will get 5. Here the positive number sign is plus. So the answer is plus 5. Finally, it is in the 5th floor. The lift is in the ground floor, which is at 0. So initially the lift is in the ground floor, which is 0. Then it is moving 5 floors downwards, so minus 5, and then again it is moving 10 floors up, so plus 10. So 0 we can skip it off, and 5 plus 10. So if the signs are different you have to subtract. So if I subtract 5 from 10, I will get 5. The greatest number is 10, which is having a positive sign. So finally the lift is in the 5th floor from the ground floor, okay. Next question. Question number 6. When Kala woke up, her body temperature was 102 degree Fahrenheit. She took medicine for fever. After 2 hours, it was 2 degree Fahrenheit lower. What was her temperature then? Okay, Kala's temperature initially 102 degree, and then after 2 hours the temperature decreases. Decreased means minus 2, so minus 2 degree, and then now the final temperature. So 100, 102 minus 2. So we subtract 2 from 102, we will get 100, so 100 degree Fahrenheit. Okay children, I hope you understood the class. We will continue next question in the next session. I'll send you the homeworks through your WhatsApp group. If you have any doubt means also ask me through your WhatsApp group. Thank you.